Male chicks are never going to lay an egg, so male chicks are discarded in egg operations.
They grow too slow to be raised profitably for meat, so these birds are thrown away.
Within a couple of days of hatching, the baby birds are taken to be sexed. A factory worker picks up these birds, tossing the males roughly off to be disposed of, or tossing the females into the group that's going to be allowed to survive. They may be tossed into essentially a giant wearing blender, a giant food processor, to be macerated and crushed alive.
Common practice is to simply throw them in a pile in a bin and let them pile up and suffocate beneath the pile. It is so thoughtless, so horrendous. It completely disregards the capability of physical suffering that a newborn has.
The females go off to be grown in the pullet sheds.
Because birds are so intensively confined in modern egg production, birds will resort to pecking each other out of frustration oftentimes. So the industry combats this problem, not by giving the birds more space, which is what they truly need. Instead, they mutilate the animals. They will use a hot blade to sear off part of the bird's beaks. The beak is a very sensitive part of the bird's body.
They're going through very sensitively innervated sinus tissue. So the degree of pain from this kind of injury is extraordinary and is overwhelming.
It's really akin to taking off your fingertips. The beak is the most important organ for foraging. When you've mutilated the end of a chicken's beak, you've essentially rendered the animal incapable of picking up things properly. Not only that, but it hurts to pick things up. And often they will starve because it's too painful to eat anything.